Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Hi. Very good evening, students.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Yeah. Only three
Ma'am, your
students.
voice is
Ma'am, your
echoing.
voice is echoing. Okay, wait. Yes, now? Is it clear?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Okay. Only four students. Wait. Yeah, today which table we have to discuss?
Ma'am, 16.
Ma'am, 16. Six table, yeah. Yes, Gagi, tell me. Six table backward.
Sixth table is
Six
over.
table is over. Over in the last class, no? Seven table then.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
in the
seven
last.
table.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you absent. He was absent in the last class. Okay, Gargi, seven table. Are you ready? Hello. Yes, Harivardhan, tell ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
7
Seven
7 10
or
to
seven
70,
ten,
7
seven
9s
to
are
seven nines
63,
are
7
60,
8 are
7 8
56,
are 56,
7 7s are
7 sevens are
51, 7 are 59, 7
59,
6 are
7 are
42, 7
42,
8 are
7 8
32,
are 32,
7 4s
7
are
fours
28,
are
7 3s
28,
are
7 twos
31,
are
7
21, 7
7 2s are
7 twos are
41.
41. Yes, good. Seven fives are how much?
Ma'am,
Seven fives are.
ma'am, 35.
Ma'am, 35. Good. Mahantesh, tell
Ma'am,
ma.
the
Ma'am,
voice is
the
Yes,
echoing.
voice
ma'am.
is
Seven
echoing.
times are
7
seventy,
tens are
seven eight,
70, 7
seven nines are
7
63,
nines are
seven eights
63,
are
7 eights are
56, seven sevens
56,
are
7
49,
sevens
seven
are
sixes are
49, 7
42,
sixes
seven
are
fives are
42, 7
35,
fives
seven
are
fours are
35, 7 fours
28,
are
seven threes are
28, 7
21,
threes
seven
are
twos are
21,
14,
7
seven
twos are
hundred
14,
seven.
707. Good. Sindhu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
7 can be
7
70,
can be
7.
77.
Ma'am, my voice
Ma'am,
is
my voice
echoing.
is echoing. Wait, ma. Now, voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell ma, Sindhu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
70 is 70, 7 nines are 63, 7 eights are 56, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sixes are 42, 7 fives are 35, 7 fours are 4, and 7 twos are 28, 7 threes are 21, 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7.
Yes, good. Yes, Yuvraj, are you ready? Seven table. Hello? Yuvraj left. Yuvraj, can you hear my voice? Yeah, tell ma.
Yes, ma'am. 7 times the 70. 7 tens are 70, 7 nines are 63, 7 eights are 56, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sixes are 42, 7 fives are 35, 7 fours are 28, 7 threes are 21, 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7.
Yes, good. Gargi, can you hear my voice?
Ma'am.
Yes, tell ma.
Yes, ma'am. 7 tens are 70, 7 nines are 63, 7 eights are 56, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sixes are 42, 7 fives are 35, 7 fours are 28, 7 threes are 21, 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 7.
Yes, good. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, in the last class we have completed 1.1 exercise and 1.2 exercise also. So some students were absent in that class. You can observe recorded class. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm going to explain multiplication of integers. How we have to multiply the integers. See here. This is the headline. Multiplication of a positive integer and a negative integer. Take down this headline. This one also. Note down.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, completed.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, finished.
Is it completed, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. See here. Multiplication of integers in that multiplication of a positive integer. So multiply with a negative integer. What is the answer you will get? So plus, you just imagine plus 5 is
Ma'am,
there and
Ma'am,
minus 2.
minus. Ma'am, minus.
Plus into
ma'am, ma'am.
minus,
Ma'am, minus.
minus 5 twos are 10.
Yes,
Ma'am, 10.
Isn't it? Yeah.
yes,
So see here, 5 you are going to add 3 times. This one we can write it as 3 into 5. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
5 you are going to add 3 times. This one we can write it as like this. 3 into 5 is equal to 15, no? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now in the same manner, here we have to uh, add negative integers. Negative integers means you just move left side, 0 left side. So minus 5 is there, one time. Minus 5. Again we have to add minus 5. It means it become minus 10. Again we have to add minus 5 to that. It means you will get the minus 15. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this one we can write it as how many times you are going to multiply here? Minus 5.
Ma'am, 3
How
times.
many times you are going to add? 3
Ma'am,
times.
3 times.
So that one we can write it as 3 into minus 5. It means minus 5 you have to add. You have to shift how many times? 3 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Like this. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here minus
yes,
4. How many times here? 5 times. 5 times, no? So minus 4, every time you have to move 4 left side because here negative integer is there. So that's why we just move left side. Okay. So minus 4 one time, minus 4 second time, minus 4 third time, minus 4 fourth time, and minus 4 fifth time. How many times you are going to add? 5 times. So
Ma'am, 5
that's why we
times.
can write it as 5 into minus 4. Here there is no sign, means which sign is there?
Ma'am, plus.
Plus.
Ma'am,
Very good.
plus.
Then plus. Yeah. Plus into minus is?
Ma'am, minus.
yes,
Minus. 5 fours are
In 20.
20. This is the
20,
answer.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
minus 20.
Very good. So you must remember this one tricks. You must practice plus into plus minus into minus, you will get the answer plus only. When you have same signs, when you are going to multiply same sign, then you will get the answer plus only. Then different sign, plus into minus or minus into plus, then you will get the answer that is in
Ma'am, minus.
negative. Yes, you must practice this one. This one is very important. Note down.
Ma'am, finished.
Yes, completed all of you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sakshi and Shreya absent. Is it over, all of you? Yuvraj,
Yes, ma'am.
Sindhu,
Yes.
Gargi, Mahantesh, Arivardhan. Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
done.
Ma'am.
Yes, based on that, here some problems is there. You have to solve. It means I just show one problem here. Look at here. So minus 3, how many times it's repeated? You are going to add
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am,
4
4.
times. No, you just multiply by 4. So when you have minus sign, you just put bracket. Okay, so then minus into plus is minus. 3 fours are 12. Understood? This
Yes,
way
ma'am.
you have to calculate. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. See here, these two problems you can solve afterwards. Okay, then this one, how we have to solve? See here. So this one we can write it as 5 into minus 4. This one we can write it as, you just write the numerical values and you put the bracket outside. Here minus sign is there, no? So you just keep that one in outside. Okay, then 5 fours are 20. This is the answer. This method also you can use. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down this one.
Ma'am, finished.
Yes. All of you completed?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Yeah. Next one. So here some problems is there. This way, this method only you have to apply and solve. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See here, general rule here. It means while multiplying a positive integer and a negative integer, we multiply them as whole numbers. Multiply, you just multiply the whole numbers and put a minus sign before the product. We thus get a negative integer. That's it. So here one example. For example, 5 is there, plus 5 is there, positive integer. You are going to multiply by negative integer, that is minus 5. So what we have to do? So here positive integer, one positive and one negative is there. So that's why you just keep minus sign. You just multiply these two. 5 into 5. Then you will get the answer. 5 5s are 25. This is the answer. One positive integer, one negative integer means you will get the answer. Negative integer itself. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the general rule. Okay, here this one is the general rule. You can note down. A into, write down this one. You have to practice all these problems. Try these problems after completion of my class. Clear? You just mark in your textbook. After completion of my class, you can solve. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You note down this one formula. A into minus B is equal to minus A into B is equal to minus of A into B. So whether here A is a positive integer, B is a negative integer. Here A is a negative integer and B is a positive integer. So any one negative integer will come, means you just put minus sign outside and multiply the numerical values. That's it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Note down this one. Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, take down this one headline. Multiplication of two negative integers. Multiplication of two negative integers.
Ma'am, finished.
Yes. See here, you know that minus. Here also one negative integer is there. Here also one negative integer. Then you just multiply the signs first. Minus into minus.
Ma'am, plus.
Plus. You must remember when you have same sign, you just put sum. It means plus sign. 3 2s are 6. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down this one. After completion of this one headline, you can note down this one problem.
Ma'am, finished.
Yeah. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next problem. So here,
Ma'am,
yes,
in the
tell.
multiplication of these integers, ma'am, we'll just multiply it as normally and which number has, if the 3 is having plus, so we wrote plus 6, ma'am, like that.
See here, ma. Minus 3 is there, na? Then here minus 2. So first multiply the symbol, signs. First multiply the signs. Minus into minus.
Plus.
Ma'am, plus.
Yeah. After you can multiply the numerical values. 3 2s are.
Ma'am, 6.
Ma'am, 6.
That's it. So when you are going to multiply two negative integers, then you will get the answer that is positive integer. Understood?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So in the same manner, you can multiply these two. This one. Minus
Ma'am,
3
plus
into
9.
minus 3.
Ma'am, plus 9.
Minus into
Ma'am,
minus is
plus.
very good. Plus 3 3s are 9. Very good. Plus 9 is the answer. Here so many problems is there. You can solve afterwards. Yes, tell me. Minus 4 into 0. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 0.
Yeah, you must remember when you are going to multiply 0, you will get the answer 0 itself. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
you can solve all these problems or take it as homework. These also. You just multiply and find out the answer. That's it. Okay. So here is the general formula, that is, see here. The product of two negative integers is a positive integer. Yes, of course. When you are going to multiply two negative integers, then you will get the answer that is in positive integer. We multiply the two negative integers as whole numbers and put the positive sign before the product. Direct rule. This is direct rule. So when you have two negative integers like this, minus a into minus b, what do you have to do? So two negative integers is there means you just put here plus, after you can multiply a into b. That's it. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here so many problems is there. So try these problems also is there. So you must solve after my class. Take it as homework. Clear? You must
Yes,
practice,
ma'am.
then only you will learn perfectly. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Then here, product of three or more negative integers. Write down this headline.
Ma'am, finished.
Yeah. See here. So product of three or more negative integers. Then what is this value? See here. Minus 1 into minus 1. What is the answer?
Ma'am, plus 1.
Plus 1. Very good. Then minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Yes.
Ma'am, minus
Minus
1.
into minus.
Ma'am plus
Yeah.
ma'am,
Ma'am, minus 1.
ma'am, ma'am plus
Ma'am, minus 1. Ma'am,
Minus 1
minus
is the
1.
right answer. How? See here. Minus into minus.
Ma'am, plus.
Plus into minus.
Ma'am, minus.
Yeah. Minus 1. Then minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus.
Ma'am, plus.
Plus into minus.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
minus.
Minus into minus.
Ma'am, plus.
Yes. Okay. Then we will get the general rule that is see here. If the number of negative integers is the product is even, it means so minus 1 into minus 1. Here 1, here 2. Total number of minus 1 value, how many values here present? 2 values,
Ma'am,
minus
2.
1 and minus 1, isn't it? So 2 is a even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Those we can consider it as even numbers. So when you have even numbers, so at that moment you will get the sign that is positive. Positive. When you have odd, see here, 1, 2, 3. How many times minus 1 is present?
Ma'am, 3 times.
3 times. 3 we can consider it as odd, isn't it? At that moment you will get the sign minus. When you have even, sign is positive. When you have odd, then you will get the sign negative. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can write this one generally. Minus 1 into minus 1, you will get the answer plus 1. But minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Here 2 times it's repeated. But here 3 times. So minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, you know that, minus. It means even means plus. Odd means negative. It means minus. Write down.
Ma'am, I completed it.
Good. Yeah.
Ma'am, finished.
Mm. Is it completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Here, next one. Properties of multiplication of integers. Take down this headline. After that, closure under multiplication. Note down. Yes, is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Closure means you know that when you are going to multiply two integers, then you will get the integer itself.
Ma'am,
That one
integer.
also belongs to the, yeah, that one also belongs to the integer group. So that one we can call it as closure and multiplication. Here one question, 20 minus 20, is it an integer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then minus 5.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Then you just multiply the signs, minus into minus.
Ma'am, plus.
Ma'am, plus, ma'am, plus 100.
25 is the,
Ma'am, 100.
Plus 100.
Plus,
yeah, 100. Plus 100 is also integer.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Isn't
ma'am.
it? Yeah. It means A into B is an integer for all integers A and B. So, okay, understood this one.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, take down this one statement. And here some problems is there. You can find out the answers. Okay, fill in the blanks.
Ma'am, we have to solve those problems.
Yeah, after the take it as homework. So many problems here.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, means you can ask me in the next class. I will clear that one.
Ma'am, finish.
Yeah, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then commutativity of multiplication. Yes, write down this one headline.
Ma'am, finish.
Yeah.
Completed, ma'am.
Yes. Here's some problems. So 3 is the integer now, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And minus 4 is also integer. You just multiply. Here there is no sign, means plus is there. Then plus into minus,
Ma'am, minus 12.
Minus
minus. 3 fours are
Ma'am,
12.
12. Okay, done. Then minus 4 into 3. 3 means here plus sign is there. Minus into plus,
Ma'am, minus.
minus. 4 threes are
Ma'am,
12.
12.
same answer, no? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you just reverse and multiply. You know that 2 threes are 6 and 3 twos are 6. Both of the answers are same. Isn't it? So commutative property means here you can consider two values, others two integers. So when you are changing the place, then you will get the same answer. For example, here A into B is equal to B into A. This is the general rule. So downside you can write 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. 6 is equal to 6. This is the
Ma'am,
commutativity of multiplication. Yes, tell me.
ma'am, ma'am, we
Yeah.
can change the sign also. We'll get the correct same answer, no, ma'am. Ma'am, sign.
But That one also right. But so here A means 2 itself. B means 3 itself. So when you are allotting A is equal to 2 and B is equal to minus 3 means don't change the signs. See here. So A 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3 into 2. So you can multiply now. 3 2s are 6. Minus sign is there, you can put. Here 3 2s are 6. Minus sign is there, you can put. Understood? A value, how much is there? That one only you have to put here. Don't change the signs. That's wrong. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Understood? So this is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
general formula we can note down.
Ma'am, finished.
Yeah. All of you completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So multiplication by 0, then what is the answer you will get? For example,
Then
minus
0.
3 here. Yeah, into 0, what is the answer?
Then 0.
0.
Yes. 0 into minus 3, what is the answer?
Then 0.
0.
0. Yes, multiplication by 0 means you will get the answer 0 itself. Isn't it? Note down this one. A into 0 is equal to 0 into A is equal to 0 only. Write down.
Ma'am, finished.
Yeah. Which one is the multiplicative identity?
Then 1.
1. Additive identity?
Ma'am, 0.
0. Very good. 0 we can consider it as additive identity. 1 we can consider it as multiplicative identity. Yeah. See here. Multiplicative identity. Take down this headline. Here some problems is there. After you must solve. These also. Here also. Okay. Take down this headline. Multiplicative identity.
Ma'am, finished.
Ma'am, completed writing.
Yes. So downside you can write A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. Note down. General formula.
Ma'am, finished.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Which one we can consider it as additive inverse? Additive inverse of minus 1 is
Ma'am, plus 1.
very good. You just change the sign. Very good. Plus it become minus, minus it become plus. This one we can consider it as additive inverse. Additive identity is 0. Multiplicative identity is
1.
1. Good. Yeah. Up to that, is there any doubt?
No,
Commutative,
ma'am.
closure, multiplication by 0, multiplicative identity. Is there any doubt in that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next one, associativity for multiplication. You know that associative property means here you have to consider 3 values. For example, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Here difference is bracket. First you have to make these two as group. After you can this one. I will give one example. 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3. First you can make this one as a group. After you can. So 1 into 2 means 1 2s are 2 3s are.
6.
Yeah. First you have to remove the bracket, no? So 2 3s are.
Ma'am, 6.
6 1s are.
Ma'am, 6.
You will get the same answer, isn't it? So this property we can consider it as associativity for multiplication. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Take down this headline and note down this formula. Note down.
Ma'am, finished.
Yeah. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next one is distributivity. Distributive property. So yeah. Distributive property means this is the general formula. A into B plus C is equal to, so you just multiply one by one. A into B over, then plus sign is there, you just put, and A into C. This is the general formula. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. I just give the formula, this one. Take down this headline and write down the formula.
Ma'am, can you zoom?
Ma'am, I completed writing.
Yeah. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You done, ma'am. Is it completed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if they given in minus means this is the general formula. A into B minus C is equal to, you just multiply these two first. A into B, which sign is there? Minus. After you can multiply A into C. That's it. Note down.
Done, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Based on that, here some problems is that you have to practice. Okay. So here some problems is that, see here. I just show how we have to solve. So here minus 2 into 3 plus 5 is there. Isn't it? First we have to simplify this one. What is the answer you will get? See, minus 2, take it as it is. 3 plus 5. You just remove this bracket means
Ma'am, 8.
in that which operation is there you have to do. Yes, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 twos are
Ma'am, 16. Ma'am, minus 16.
16, minus 16, no? So then we have to multiply. You have to apply Distributive property. So you just multiply these two. Minus 2 into 3. So which sign is
Ma'am,
there?
minus 6. Ma'am, minus 6.
Plus, wait, plus, then minus 2 into
Ma'am, 5.
5. Yes, you just multiply these two. 2 threes are
Ma'am, minus 6.
minus 6. Plus into minus.
Ma'am, minus
Minus 2 fives are.
10.
So it both has same sign, no? Then we can add. 10 plus 6, how much?
Ma'am, 16. Ma'am,
16.
minus
Which side I
16.
have to put? Yeah,
Ma'am,
both
minus.
the answer. LHS is equal to RHS. Applies distributive property. Understood? This
Yes,
way you
ma'am.
have to solve all problems. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So tomorrow
Yes.
table is 8th table. As usual, tomorrow morning 6 to 6:45 I will take the class. Okay. And when I'm going to conduct the test, I don't know. You must practice well. 1.1 and 1.2. Okay. If you have any doubt means you can ask me. I will clear that one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Solve this problem now. Right now.
Yes, ma'am. They are equal.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
They are equal, ma'am.
Yes. 4 into 3 minus 8. What is the answer here?
Ma'am, minus 5.
Good. Is equal to. Here you just multiply these two. 4 threes are
Ma'am, 12.
12. Then minus sign is there. You just take it as it is. 8 fours are
Ma'am, 32.
32. Yes. So here there is no sign means plus, no. You just multiply. Plus into minus.
Ma'am, minus.
4 fives are
Ma'am, 20.
20. Here plus sign is there. Here minus. Different sign. It means we have to find out the difference. Subtraction. Isn't it? 32. 2 minus 2. 0. 3
Ma'am,
minus
0.
1.
Ma'am, 2.
Which sign I have to put here?
Ma'am, minus.
Yeah, both are equal, no? LHS is equal to RHS, no? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the proof. Understood? So here, so many problems you have. You must practice. Okay, up to this one, you can practice up to this one. So when you have try these problems and here so many problems is there, you must practice. Then only you will get the idea how to solve easily. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
clear? Yes. So after
Yes, ma'am.
completion of this one 1.2 exercise, this one start from here. Multiplication. Multiplication of integers start from page number 10 to
Ma'am, page number 19.
yeah,
Full page number 19.
page number 10 to 19. 19 up to 19 you have to practice. Up to 19. No, up to 18. Up to 18. In the next class I will explain. That is 18, 19.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so up to 18 you can practice. In the next class, I just start from making multiplication easier.
Okay,
Okay, up
ma'am.
to that you have to practice all problems. So tomorrow table is 8 table. Morning sharp 6 o'clock. All should attend the class. Okay, so
Okay,
and
ma'am.
also this month fees. Some students have paid this month fees. So still some students are there. Please inform your parents to pay this month fees. Okay. And if your friends are interested, means you just inform to those students. Take care. Bye bye.
Ma'am, only three people are there.
Yeah.